Hello, this is Mr. Golias with the 8th grade sub plan for Thursday. Sorry I couldn't be there. I got pulled out for a district collaboration writing curriculum meeting. So you guys are, after the QOD, you are currently watching the video. You're then going to have 10 minutes for graphic design. Then what I'm recommending, it's the snipping tool was added to QOD 33, so it's right down here. This is a faster way to get your driving questions and your citations turned into images, so please watch that. It will make your life easier. After that, you're going to watch the Picture Day video, which is right here, and then you're actually going to start collecting all your images for all of your podcasts. The video will walk you through it, but you are going to find a ton of them today. And your podcast is really going to be taking shape when you leave class today. So please remember, on our best behavior, any student's names left behind, there are no conversations. It's an automatic detention. But honestly, I don't expect that to happen with a single student. We've had a great run of class lately, so let's just keep it up. Have a great day. And by the way, I almost forgot, we will on Monday do our artifact presentation. So it's just, I'm going to save that for when I'm there. So yes, they're happening. It'll just be on Monday when I'm back with you guys. All right, have a great day.